Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling location and a stable connection. This lets the app fetch high-resolution tiles quickly. Once done, open the Maps app or website and look for the layers or map type icon. Tap it to reveal options. Choose Satellite or Satellite Plus labels to switch views. Make sure zoom permissions and location access are allowed, otherwise imagery may load at low resolution. This step gets you into the satellite stream so you can pan and zoom smoothly. Once the satellite layer is active, refine your view by pinching to zoom and rotating with 2 fingers so landmarks align. This helps when matching satellite detail to street perspective. Next, enable live overlays like traffic or recent imagery if the app offers them. This gives context and current conditions. Use search or long press to drop a pin and recenter the map. Doing so forces higher quality tiles to load for that area, which speeds up further. Finish by saving the view. Download offline tiles if you'll be away from data, or take a screenshot for quick reference. You can also tap Share to send a link or coordinates so others open the same satellite view. If tiles fail to load or appear blurry, clear the app cache or toggle airplane mode briefly to force a fresh connection. Make sure storage isn't full. This final pass ensures you can revisit, share, and recover the live satellite view quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.